Good morning, fifth graders. It is Tuesday, October 27th, and this is your intro welcome video for the day. We had a good day yesterday. I had a lot of questions from people at home, so I was very happy to see that. It was good to see you guys reaching out if there were things that you were struggling with. I do know that the way the assignment was set up yesterday, it was a little bit more challenging in terms of how to get those answers into Schoology. But I think for the most part, we got those answers in there. There are a couple people that I would still like to see ask me a few questions because you, I think, struggled with the concept and maybe how to enter it into Schoology more so than the math itself. But just make sure you're asking questions for those who are still struggling. But again, pretty good day yesterday in terms of communication and keeping tabs on things. Very similar day today in a sense that science will be, again, just a couple of body systems that we're going through and trying to continue to work through the parts of the body and how those things all work and coexist together. The assignment today, again, should be pretty short, just more of a reflection piece than anything in terms of like a rights and wrong answers or vocab words. So just more of a reflection of what do you think? How does your body work? Those kinds of things. Math today, guys, we are moving into some review. There is a quick quiz, the second quick quiz for this unit. And I think it's relatively straightforward, but there is a Think Central practice test or practice quick quiz in your Think Central folder. And I will put that out as an update as well in your Schoology folder, just to let you guys know that that is something that is available to you, especially if you want to do it before you take the quick quiz the first time. Again, if you're feeling comfortable with what we've been doing and your scores are reflecting pretty good results, then you might just want to go into the quick quiz. And if you do poorly on the quiz, you can go back and review what's going to be on the quick quiz or review the concepts of the quick quiz in that Think Central assignment, and then go back in and retake your quiz at that point. So you can use it either way. I don't really care, but it is nice to see that kids get in and actually do it, especially those kids who have scores that kind of reflect that you needed the extra practice. So it's good to see you guys getting in there and taking some ownership of your work in that way. We are also reviewing for our test. And again, I'm leaning towards taking that test tomorrow, guys, on Unit 2. So hopefully today's results will reflect that as well, that Wednesday will be the day to take that test. I do have some flexibility. I could do that test on Thursday, but I think that at this point, we've gone over all the concepts pretty much with everybody in class. The only one that might be slightly different will be yesterday's and the coordinate plane. But I don't believe there are many of those types of questions on the test, if any. So do the review today. It's kind of a unique setup. There is an actual, there's like 3 separate entities that kind of go into it. The first one is a video, and they're going to ask you to write down your answers on a separate sheet of paper, then transfer that information to your Schoology test. So you're kind of watching a video and going through taking that test review through a video and writing down your answers on your own, and then going back in and transferring that into, and you can try to open up both windows, I guess, but I think it'd probably be easier just to write down your answers in that way. But like I said, if it doesn't work or if you're not figuring it out, let me know and we'll try to walk you through it. There is also a tutorial and a teacher-led, like, these are the correct answers. This is what you should have gotten. So if you do get some wrong on the review, and we'll give you, again, more than one chance to take the review, obviously, guys. It's a supplement or a review questions or things that are going into the grade book. So you'll have multiple times to do it, but it's more about you understanding the concepts of those math skills for the test tomorrow, which is that summative assessment, which is going in as 80% of your grade. So really want to make sure you understand those concepts on the review today. If there's anything in there that you don't understand, make sure you let us know. Now, I do know there is some of the questions like there was yesterday. And like I said, I don't believe there's going to be a ton of those on the test. As always, guys, remember to communicate with me and have a great day. Look forward to hearing from you.